I can make friends. A friend is someone I like to be with and who likes to be with me too. Friends play together, talk together, laugh together, and help each other. I can learn how to make friends. Making friends can feel exciting. It can also feel a little scary. That's okay. Everyone gets nervous sometimes. Sometimes I want to join other kids who are playing. I can walk over and look at what they're doing. When I am ready, I can ask, "Can I play?" Asking to play is a brave thing to do. Sometimes I want someone to play the same thing I am. I can look around and see who might like the same game or toys. I can go up to them and ask, "Do you want to play?" Inviting someone to play is a nice thing to do. When I am playing with someone and we want the same toy, I can share. Sharing means we take turns. Sometimes I use it, sometimes they use it. This way, we both have fun playing. When I am playing a game with someone, I can play fair. Playing fair means following the rules. Sometimes I win and sometimes I lose. Friends stay kind to each other, whether they win or lose. I don't have to pretend or act different to make friends. I can talk about things I like and do things I enjoy. I can make good friends by just being me.